Kind regards, dear tutor and classmate. My name is Alvaroramos from the UNAT University in the English course, and I will answer the question: how did you hear about the position open with our company here? Well, when I hear about the opportunity of changing locations and moving from one physical location to another, I thought about making a career move as well. And I was starting with my main interests and passions, and I love you playing outside, I love you doing outdoor activities, and I love you working with people. When I was looking online, I found this website and that there were positions available in the city area, so I thought I would apply. Thank you for your attention.